Hello and welcome dear students. I am Shravan Sir, your maths lecturer. Today we will start a very important chapter, that is differentiation. In the previous standard you have seen the definition and some basic formulae of differentiation. So let us quickly revise all the formulae of differentiation. So the first formula of differentiation is what? D by dx means what? Derivative of x raised to n with respect to x. So the formula of x raised to n is what? N into x raised to n minus 1. X is any variable. Suppose for example derivative of x raised to 5. So what is the value of n here? N is 5 into x raised to n minus 1. 5 minus 1 is what? 4. So the formula for x raised to n with respect to x is what? N into x raised to n minus 1. And using the same formula we will get derivative of x with respect to x as 1. And derivative of root x with respect to x is what? 1 upon 2 root x. Derivative of 1 upon x raised to 1. Here the reciprocal of x raised to n. If x raised to n is present in denominator, then formula for finding derivative of 1 upon x raised to n is what? Minus n upon x raised to n plus 1. For example, derivative of 1 upon x raised to 5. So the answer is minus 5 n minus n. N means what? 5 here. So minus 5 upon n plus 1. So 5 plus 1 is what? 6. So 1 upon x raised to n, the d by dx or derivative of 1 upon x raised to n with respect to x is what? Minus n upon x raised to n plus 1. Next formula is using this formula only. 1 upon x raised to 1 upon x is what? Minus 1 upon x square. Here the power is what? 1. So minus n means what? Minus 1 upon 1 plus 1 becomes what? 2. So these are the 5 algebraic formulae. Derivative of x raised to n into x raised to n minus 1. Second, using the same formula, first formula you can derive second and third also. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Derivative of root x with respect to x is 1 upon 2 root x. Derivative of 1 upon x raised to n is minus n upon x raised to n plus 1. Derivative of 1 upon x is what? Minus 1 upon x square. And derivative of any constant. Now what is the meaning of constant? Any terms other than very independent and dependent variable. Suppose we are differentiating y with respect to x. We are differentiating y with respect to x. So excluding x and y, all the remaining terms present in any expression are known as what? Constant. So derivative of constant is what? 0. For example, derivative of 5. In 5 there is no x and y with respect to x we are differentiating. So derivative in this 5 there is no x y, there is no dependent and independent variable. So derivative of 5 is what? 0. Similarly derivative of sin a here there is no x, so derivative of sin a is not cos a because here we are differentiating with respect to x. So derivative of sin a is what? 0 with respect to x. Next formula is what? Derivative of log x. Derivative of log x, the base of log is what? E here. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x, and derivative of a raised to x. A raised to x, derivative of a raised to x is what? A raised to x into log a. For example, derivative of 2 raised to x. So derivative of 2 raised to x is what? 2 raised to x into log 2. Similarly, derivative of 3 raised to x is what? 3 raised to x into log 3. Next formula is derivative of e raised to x. Derivative of e raised to x is what? E raised to x into log e. But the value of log e because of same base e is 1. So derivative of e raised to x is what? E raised to x only. So up to 9 formula, these formulae are important for commerce section, and for science section you have to prepare all these 21 formulae. Next formula is what? Trigonometric formulae. As derivative of sin x is what? Cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Derivative of tan x is what? Sec square x. And derivative of cot x is what? Minus of cosec square x. Derivative of secant x is what? Sec x into tan x. Derivative of cosec x is what? Minus cosec x into cot x. So all the trigonometric functions starting from C have negative sign in their expression. Derivative of cos x is what? Minus sin x. Derivative of cot x is also minus cosec square x. Derivative of cosec is minus cosec x into cot x. So these are the 6 trigonometric formulae to differentiate or differentiation. Next is what? Inverse trigonometric function. We have 6 inverse trigonometric functions, that is sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, cot inverse x, sec inverse and cosec inverse x. Derivative of sin inverse x is what? 1 upon under root 1 minus x square, and in that of cos inverse x you have to put a negative sign. Derivative of tan inverse of x is what? 1 upon 1 plus x square, and in cot inverse x we have to put a negative sign in the formula of tan inverse of x. Derivative of sec inverse of x is what? 1 upon x under root x square minus 1, and the last formula is derivative of cosec inverse of x minus 1 upon under root x into x square minus 1. So these are the 21 important formula for science section, and for commerce section you have to do up to 9 formulae.